Hey guys, Dave here with Fifth Gear Automotive. We just want to welcome you to our new satellite service center here in Castle Hills, your new local drop-off and pickup service center for the ultimate in convenience. And I know you're thinking to yourself, how do they work on those cars in that small location? Well, we really don't. Here's how it works. Drop off your vehicle and we'll handle the rest. No time, we'll pick up and deliver your vehicle free. Once your vehicle is dropped off, we'll transport it to our Louisville repair hub, where our ASE certified technician will perform a digital detailed inspection. You'll receive that digital inspection via email or text to your phone for an easy review and approval. Once approved, our expert technicians will begin the repairs. When the work is complete, we'll even give your car a complimentary car wash before bringing it back to either our Castle Hills service center or right to your doorstep. We keep you updated every step of the way, delivering dealership level service without the dealership price tag, all backed by our 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. So let Fifth Gear Automotive be your trusted automotive repair service center. We'll see you soon.